Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa. Welcome back to my channel. I have another interesting program for you on Scratch, and this program is going to be a monkey finding bananas. And once he finds the bananas, he's going to tell us that he found bananas using a speech bubble. So first I will show you the output. Look at this one. Let me run the program using the green flag button. The monkey is moving here and there. And once he touched the bananas, he's gonna tell us bananas. So if you like the program, then you have to write this kind of script that is having 5 commands. So let me quickly delete all of them and let's start from the beginning. For the program, you have to go to choose a sprite, click on the search bar, write down monkey, add a monkey as your sprite. Then you need bananas. Go back to choose a sprite, find bananas, put it somewhere in the screen wherever you want. Now go to choose a backdrop. For this program, I have chosen a forest backdrop. So it's up to you which backdrop you want. You can just choose that one. Now let's get back to the script area and write the program for the monkey. So you need to select the monkey and then start writing your program. Go to events, use when green flag clicked block. Next to it, you have to go to controls and then repeat until. Go down a little. This is repeat until loop. You have to use the loop so that you will finish the loop until you find the bananas. So in repeat until, I need a sensing block. This is touching mouse pointer, but instead of touching mouse pointer, you have to open the drop down and select bananas, which means that the monkey has to touch the banana to finish the loop. The monkey will keep on using this loop or keep on running the loop until he find bananas. So for this, you have to add some motion command inside the loop. So go to motion and then here is glide 1 second to random position. This command is going to help the monkey to move everywhere around the stage so that he can find the bananas. And once he will touch the banana, then the loop will end. Okay, after going out of the loop, you have to tell everyone that the bananas are here. So for this, you have to go to looks. Use this first command here. Say hello for 2 seconds. Instead of hello, you must write down bananas or simply I found bananas. As the monkey touches the banana, so he's gonna say I found bananas. So once you can write any of your message here, whatever you want. I write I found bananas. So here we go. Let's go back to the big screen, run the program and see the result. See the monkey gliding here and there in the screen, and once he touches the bananas, he's gonna say bananas or I found bananas. So this is all about today's program. I hope it is interesting to practice. Stay tuned, stay connected for more fun programs on Scratch. See you in the next video. Bye bye.